Hello guys, it's Enrique, and as you can see I'm at home, as most of you right now I think. So I started as an art historian and now I'm actually a cook. So I've learned everything I had to, probably most of it, from my grandmas, mia abuela española e mia nonna italiana. And now I'm here to present one of the recipes which is gonna come out in the Devour Tours cookbook, okay? Check out online, okay, in Instagram and Facebook, okay, because we're gonna know really soon when it's gonna come out. And this is what I want you to present you, okay? This is salsa romesco, and I think it's worth more than 1,000 words. That's how I'm gonna present you this little sauce. Oh my God. So, it's so good. You don't even need to put it on something, okay? You can make loads of it with just a little blender and a few ingredients, and it's gonna bring you a little bit of happiness on these days, which is really needed. So please check online for the cookbook, okay? Stay safe at home for now, and hopefully let's see you in Barcelona. Bye-bye.